Hey guys, it's Kaif Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 163 to 164 in Lakpur journey, and I hope you are doing well. So I hope that my voice is clear, and currently in my grandfather house and prayed here, and now I'm moving to my house. So exactly I'll post a video, a little bird here. I'll post a video later, like a nature video. I told you, no voice, just a pure text video. And now I'm moving, so the vlog is not be much bigger. So after 162 day I came here, and I don't even shoot the 163 video, but I'm shooting the video. And today is like 164, but I'm also recording the 163. And now I will just move, and my voice audio will be gone. Just see the pure scenery. And in the next video today, today you will get a video about nature thing that I told you. And for now, bye. Then I will unite.